This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, BMW apps, a rear-view camera, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, heated seats, the M Sport package, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: BMW Assist, Comfort Access, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and 12 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.